Creating or editing drawings and documentation inside AutoCAD based on your Inventor 3D CAD data allows you to participate in common activities with your colleagues, partners, or clients. The first option to do this is by creating a drawing directly inside Inventor as a native DWG file. Now open the drawing file you created in Inventor directly inside AutoCAD Mechanical. There's no translation necessary. Inside AutoCAD, you can add additional 2D details, or insert annotations, revision clouds, and dimensions. Round-trip the file by opening the same DWG back inside Inventor, and you'll notice that your 2D information stays associative between both CAD environments. Need to make changes to your Inventor model? Your AutoCAD drawings will stay up to date with the latest revisions. Even changes to dimensions added in AutoCAD remain associative. If you prefer, you can also create 2D drawings of your 3D Inventor models directly inside AutoCAD Mechanical. Create your model in Inventor, then use your familiar AutoCAD tools to detail your drawings. Creating native DWG drawings that are associative to your 3D CAD models is another example of how AutoCAD and Inventor work better together.